Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, who is visiting Qatar nowadays, was received by Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Ameer of the State of Qatar at Deewan-e-Ameeri. The Premier called on father of the Ameer of the State of Qatar and Her Highness Sheikh Moza bint Nasser, mother of the Ameer of Qatar. The Premier conveyed gratitude to the Father Ameer for receiving him and his delegation. He conveyed his profound regards to His Highness and underscored the importance Pakistan attached to its long-standing and cordial relationship with Qatar, which is based on firm foundations of mutual trust and abiding support. Recalling the earlier visits of the Father Ameer to Pakistan in 1999 and 2017, the Prime Minister appreciated the role played by His Highness in elevating the relationship between the two countries and acknowledged the robust relationship developed during His Highness' reign. Shehbaz Sharif thanked His Highness the Father Ameer for hosting more than 200,000 strong Pakistani diaspora in Qatar, which is contributing to the progress of the state of Qatar as well as Pakistan. He assured His Highness of further cooperation with Qatar in line with Qatar's Vision 2030. The Prime Minister also conveyed his warmest felicitations and best wishes on Qatar hosting of the upcoming FIFA 2022 World Cup. The Premier also extended a cordial invitation to Their Highness to visit Pakistan at their earliest convenience.